Mainframe and supercomputers. Mainframe computers, I. The largest computers called mainframe computers are the oldest category of computer system. 2. They are capable of great processing speed and data storage. 3. These are always kept in air-cooled rooms. 4. They are mainly used in banks, airlines, and industrial companies. Supercomputers, I. The supercomputers are fastest of all computers. 2. It was invented by two brothers Gregory and David in New York. 3. These computers have high capacity to work. 4. These also require air-conditioned rooms. V. The supercomputers are mainly used in A. Automotive engineering. B. Modeling nuclear explosion. C. Aeroplane designing. D. Oil exploration. E. Weather forecasting, etc.